Hello and welcome to the Cricket Fan Corner. A very warm welcome to all of you. So आज क्या हुआ? फैसल भाई, हिस्ट्री रिपीट होती है। 2010 ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने टॉस जीता था T20 के वर्ल्ड कप में। माइकल क्लार्क वाज द कैप्टन। उसने यही किया, उसने फील्ड करी, पाकिस्तान को बैट करने को बोला। पाकिस्तान स्कोर्ड 190 और सम ऑड रन एंड वी थॉट के जबरदस्त रन बन गए, राइट? एंड देन पाकिस्तान ने बॉलिंग करी, शुरू में 3-4 विकेटें मिली एंड एट द एंड माइकल हसी ने उड़ा दिया सबको। सेम थिंग हैपेंड टुडे। आई मीन वी थॉट के स्कोर, इट वाज अ कंपेटिटिव टोटल एंड वी थॉट के इनिशियल आपको वार्नर मिल गया, स्मिथ की भी विकेट मिल गई एंड आपका मैक्सवेल आउट हो गया एंड उसके जाने के बाद भी ऐसा लग रहा था स्टॉइनिस एंड वेड जो है, मैथ्यू वेड वाज देयर। So we thought, we'll get there, like 11-12 का run rate चाहिए था. But then Matthew Wade came and then he just took away everything, right? And he's become like a hero, like, national hero now. So क्या कहेंगे आप? What happened?
What to say, First of all, hello and welcome everyone.
Yeah.
Cricket Fan Corner, by the fan for the fan. That's our slogan.
Yes.
अब जो जैसा आतिफ भाई ने कहा यार, इट्स वाज अ गुड मैच। जो मैच आखिर तक जाए और बहुत नील बैटिंग, उसमें उसका मजा ही अलग होता है, ठीक है। लेकिन आई बिलीव यू हैव टू गिव इट टू द ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रिकेटिंग सिस्टम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। अगर आप देखो या ना, स्टॉइनिस की बॉडी लैंग्वेज देखो, वेट की बॉडी लैंग्वेज देखो, उनको कोई प्रेशर ही नहीं था। सो रिलैक्स, सो कूल, and that's what Australians are good at. They are very good at handling tough and current situations. So I believe a lot of credit goes to Wade and also Stoinis, because he stood there like a rock till the very end. That was the best part. I believe if we start from a Pakistani point of view, जैसे कि मैंने कल वीडियो में मेंशन किया था आतिफ भाई कि I'm a bit concerned about Hassan Ali's form. Unfortunately, वो जो मेरा fear था वो realize हो गया आज. हसन अली ग्रेट बॉलर, बहुत सारी खिदमात है, बहुत मैचेस जीते हैं भाई ने पाकिस्तान के लिए, ही इज अ डैम गुड बॉलर। लेकिन एवरीवन गोस थ्रू अ लीन क्लॉट। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं तो लोगों से ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, प्लीज stop this social media bashing. I don't appreciate it. He's a hero. He has done well for Pakistan. Everyone has a bad day. Like, I am a professional, I have bad days in the office. That doesn't mean कि मैं professional बन गया ना. So I believe what has happened is that the writing was on the wall. मैं हसन अली को ब्लेम नहीं करता, मैं लीडरशिप को ब्लेम करता हूँ यार। He went for 22 against South Africa in the last over. He went for a lot of runs against India. He almost lost the match for Afghanistan versus Afghanistan, and then versus Scotland he went for 33 versus Scotland. यार, इनकी कोई बॉलिंग ही नहीं थी, बैटिंग ही नहीं थी, sorry. So I believe the writing was on the wall. There was a massive risk which they took, and unfortunately it backfired because see, हसन अली ने कैच ड्रॉप किया not because he was a bad fielder. एक होता है कॉन्फिडेंस आदमी का नीचे आ जाता है. So my heart goes out for him because
Hassan Ali is not a bad fielder. I mean, he's a very good fielder.
Yep.
लेकिन देखो, मुझे अभी भी ये लगता है कि I mean, you just said that कि यार stop bashing Hassan Ali. It's just a game of cricket. हार जीत होती है, एक टीम को जीतना है, एक टीम को हारना है. और when we started this, I mean, when we entered into the semi-final, we came as a super favorite, right? We won all the 5 matches, but I mean, हम लोगों को नहीं पता था कि रिजल्ट ये होगा, राइट? जिस तरीके से खेले। लेकिन मेरा सिर्फ क्वेश्चन ये है कि हसन अली ने कैच छोड़ा, ठीक है, कैच विंस मैचेस, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। वो एक उससे छूट गया। ऑस्ट्रेलिया की टीम में 3 कैचेस छोड़े, जैम्पा ने छोड़ा, डेविड वार्नर ने छोड़ा, स्मिथ ने छोड़ा। आई मीन,
कभी कैच नहीं छोड़ रहा है।
When was the last time you saw Smith drop a catch? I mean, very rare, right? So, but in spite of that, 3 छक्के, 3 consecutive sixes by Matthew Wade to one of the world leading, fast bowler. I mean, आप थोड़ा बहुत तो चेंज करते अपने पेस को यार। आप लगे हुए हो फुल लेंथ बॉल पे, यॉर्कर के चक्कर में आप पेस थोड़ा सा चेंज कर लेते। हसन रऊफ, हारिस रऊफ जैसे कर रहा था, तो मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा बहुत वो था। लेकिन अगर मैं तुमसे ये सवाल करूं फैसल के वो कौन सी एक गलती थी जिसकी वजह से पाकिस्तान ये मैच हारा, या one thing which caused this match, वो क्या होगी?
I believe they say that catches win matches and fielding is very important. I believe though not persona. Both the batsmen were out. basically. But क्योंकि दोनों का बनाने chance miss हुआ. I believe, yeah, I don't, you know, too many things in there. I believe Pakistan by 15 went short. You know, if you ask me,
Maybe, yeah.
you know, the second last over, you know, Cummins ka only went for 3 or 4 runs. And I believe, again, you know, एक बड़ा अच्छा article आज आया है Quick Info पे. People should read it. You know, I'm a huge fan of Babar and Rizwan opening the innings, but in a way, like when you have a target to chase 160, 170, you know, you can pace the innings. But when you're batting first now, you're batting into a bit of an unknown. Babar Rizwan, Joanna, like to compare them with Warner's inning. Warner scored 49 from 29 balls. You know, for some reason, वो article में भी साफ लिखा हुआ है कि for some reason this overcautious approach sometimes costs Pakistan 10 to 15 runs at the end.
True.
So I believe that's something, you know, in many ways, yeah, I always thought it's going to come back and bite us. It bit us today again, I believe. So in a way, I believe 10 to 15 runs short the. Secondly, I believe thoda sa, you know, Babar Azam had been a fabulous leader, but there was some tactical blunders. See, again, I'm a common man. You know, again, just a mass slogan about the fan for the fan. It's a common man view. So, जो मुझे लगता है ना, for example, what Ahmad when he went for runs, you know, a lot, you know, in the first
Second
2 overs.
Second.
I believe
First
second
over
over
was good. Second over में उसने काफी है. He leaks.
so good, you know.
Yeah.
I believe they should have brought in, you know, Hafiz a bit early, because Hafiz is fabulous against left-handed batsmen. You know, in many ways, he came in when Warner was almost get going, you know, and he was at his peak of his batting. And I believe, you know, एक तो वो third tactical blunder हुआ, and secondly, with Hassan going for a lot of run in his third over, I would have tossed the ball to Imad Wasim.
Yeah, maybe.
Ball out
They could have tried, you know, one over from Imad.
You know, I believe वो थोड़ा सा मसला हुआ है, but too many small things here and there.
Again, you know, overall, I think it was a good brand of cricket. You know, both team played, you know, I mean, great cricket overall. Warner, मुझे सिर्फ एक चीज पे थोड़ी हैरानगी भी हुई, और ये हुआ कि जो प्लेयर्स फॉर्म में नहीं भी थे. I mean, Matthew Wade, he has been struggling for last 3-4 years, right? Australian has been looking ever since Gilchrist left. They are still searching for their ideal wicket-keeper batsman, right? They haven't found anyone. Beach में काफी आया, you know, Carey आया, and then there is another one, Phillips, I remember some guy came, and then but they want to stick with Matthew Wade, and then finally he delivered, you know. अच्छा, एक और भी चीज हफीज से मुझे याद आया, एक गेम खत्म होने के बाद बहुत सारी memes जो हैं वो it's just going, you know, all over the web, right? So एक जो सबसे interesting meme है वो ये है कि it's not a meme, but I think who tweeted, Gautam Gambhir tweeted on the Warner sportsman spread, जो हफीज ने बॉल कराई, जो डबल बाउंस हुआ. तो I mean, मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन मैं, I mean, as a fan or as a cricket, जैसे सब लोग ये लोग देख रहे हैं कि do you think he should have let that ball go, you know, or, you know, or
it's not about sportsman spirit, yaar. That was a perfectly his right to hit the ball. First of all,
according to the ICC rules, yes, you are right.
हाँ,
yeah.
भाई सबसे मेन बात है यार, क्या मतलब what was that ball यार, for God's sake, you know. So it was quite strange, and I think that, you know, I'll be very straight, like, and again, like, you know, no offense to Mr. Gambhir, मैं Mr. Gambhir के बहुत से statement को serious नहीं लेता. मतलब I don't think so he should be talking about sportsman spirit and a lot of things over here, because sometimes उनके statements बड़ी जो है ना painstaking होते हैं and below the belt भी होते हैं. So I'm not going to talk about, but see, thing is that Warner was right in his thing, and yeah, you're chasing a semi-final match, yeah. You're chasing us. Do you believe he should let a dolly go away like this? No way.
चले अब आते हैं हम मैच की बेस्ट बॉलर्स की तरफ, जो कि हम पिछले एक हफ्ते से बात कर रहे हैं, जो कि मैं एज अ लेग स्पिनर हमेशा से बोलता हूं यार, लेग स्पिनर जो हैं सबसे बेस्ट स्पिनर्स होते हैं आपके लिए और इस टूर्नामेंट के.
Apology, Atif, I have to cut you off. I have to congratulate you, because you know you already mentioned Australia versus England 3 days back.
Yeah, I mean, that was a prediction, but
in fact, like yesterday you mentioned Australia versus New Zealand. So yeah, you were right on the spot, you know.
Okay, I mean we will come back to that prediction at the end of our this session. But let's quickly talk about Zampa and our Shadab. I mean, they were phenomenal, right? All their leg break, googlies, floater, top spin, the pace, जिस तरीके से वो लोग vary कर रहे थे, remarkable. क्या कहेंगे आप दोनों के बारे में? Very good.
लेग स्पिन बॉलिंग जो है ना, इन मेनी वेज ये एकदम बड़ा ऑब्वियस है कि स्पेशली इन T20 क्रिकेट, यू नो, leg spinners are a very important weapon in T20 and test matches. You know, one day when they may go for some run, but you know, for some reason T20 में ना, because what happens that के बॉलें कम होती है, batsmen go after the leg spinners and they come into the play straight away with their wickets. So the thing is, like, you know, in a way, like both Shadab and Zampa, they bowled very well. Shadab was a revelation because, you know, before the T20 World Cup, he was out of form, but he came into his own. That's the best part. And see, Adam Zampa has been doing it for like few years now for Australia.
Yeah.
He's the best limited over spin bowler, and I believe Zampa has a big role to play in the final as well. Because again, New Zealand doesn't play leg spin very well.
Yes, they are traditionally, yes. Okay, so I think a couple of more things before we conclude the session. So one interesting thing is on the on the stats, right? Babar Azam, you know, I mean, he became the, you know, the most run scorer in this tournament. What about Rizwan, man? I mean, a true champion. And according to Hidden Warrior, I saw the picture. I don't know, did you see his picture? जहाँ पे वो ICU में पड़ा हुआ है, पहले मुझे लगा कि maybe it is a fake picture. But then when I saw a tweet by Australian Cricket Board, then I realized, yeah, I mean, this is correct. So 2 दिन पहले वो ICU में है. I mean, of course, all the vital sign, you know, सब checks वगैरह हो रहे हैं उसके. But then he recovered. उसने जिस तरीके से खेला, and then he hit a ball right here, you know. इतना उसके ब्रूज, जितना बड़ा ब्रूज आ गया था, उसके बावजूद वो खेलता रहा. Then he came back, and then wicket keeping की उसने 20 overs. I mean, that guy is just some different level, man. What do you say?
You know, Rizwan के मुतालिक मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, I am his converted fan, because frankly speaking,
Yeah.
when you know, when Rizwan came into a team, especially in the T20 team, you know, he was a disastrous failure in the middle order. He was like averaging 11 and 97 का strike rate था. And for some reason, you know, I was never convinced. You know, I believe he was put into the opening slot unfairly, because Sarfaraz was doing very well in the middle order in T20. So, and by putting Rizwan, you blocked out Fakhar Zaman and Shajil Khan in many ways. तो मुझे लगता था यार थोड़ा सा नाइंसाफी इन 3 प्लेयर्स के साथ, लेकिन जिस तरह से रिजवान ने परफॉर्म किया इस T20 वर्ल्ड कप में, and there's a lot of thing to like about that guy.
Yeah.
First of all, इसमें तो कोई शक नहीं, he's a brilliant wicket keeper. Sorry, he's a brilliant keeper, you know, behind the bat. But like उसकी batting, you know, he's a epitome of hard work. See, Babar Azam naturally talented, लेकिन Rizwan has built himself up, you know, as an opening batsman. You know, वो जो shot जो fine leg होता जो खेलता है वो, मतलब he has developed that shot. कभी नहीं खेलता था पहले. तो बात इतनी सी है कि he is a hard working bloke. सबसे जो जबरदस्त बात है ना, जबरदस्त इंसान है ये ना. कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनकी स्माइल बड़ी ऑनेस्ट होती है. He's one of those guys, you know, when he smiles, just so much of honesty.
That guy,
lovable guy, और मॉडल स्पोर्ट्समैन मैं ये कह सकता हूँ. और देखिए सबसे जो ग्रेट बात है, आप देखो, when Sarfaraz was dropped from the team for the T20 World Cup, unofficial reports ये है कि both Babar and Rizwan went to cricket board and said that we want Sarfaraz in. Now just imagine, that shows कि यार उस बंदे को अपनी उसका भी वो नहीं है कि यार this guy can challenge my position in the team. Sarfaraz. That shows कि यार he is a team player. What's better for the team? He should be Sarfaraz should be in the team as a backup keeper, because उससे अच्छा कोई backup भी पाकिस्तान का है नहीं, frankly speaking.
That's true. No,
that talks a lot about him as a sportsman. Pakistan lucky to have a player like him. You know, I'm his converted fan. You know, मैं 360 degree views change कर दिया. I'm his biggest fan. You know, he's awesome.
Fair enough. So इसके साथ ही I think let's conclude our channel. You know, Australia, well played Australia, and now Australia and New Zealand in the semi-final. So we will be talking tomorrow about, you know, that match, like a pre-match analysis. You know, क्या team होंगी उनकी, वो हम कल बात करेंगे. But for Pakistan, I mean, I just would like to say very well played. I mean, as a cricket fan, सारे लोग काफी मायूस हुए, you know, result की वजह से. But I think the way you all fought, you all played, I mean, it's just amazing. So Rizwan, Babar, all the team, I mean, really like, I mean, सब लोग उसको जो है appreciate करते हैं. Faisal, yes.
I've got one thing to say, Atif bhai. In fact, request, जो भी सुन रहा है यार, please don't bash Hassan Ali.
Yeah.
Everyone has got a bad day. ठीक है ना? Dale Steyn, you know, he in 2015 World Cup, he went for a 6.
Yeah.
Steyn is a legend of fast bowling. You know, so everyone has got bad days, so please don't bash him. He's our hero. And we should be proud of Pakistan cricket team. You know, semi-final तक आना बहुत बड़ी achievement है.
I mean, these all players can learn from Ben Stokes. Final 4 sixes, and the way he came back, that guy, he's a champion, man. I mean, I'm a very huge fan of Ben Stokes. I mean, he's coming to your the Ashes, so we will be talking about lot, you know, for the Ashes lineup for England and Australia. But he will be the key. He will be the key factor in the Ashes, you know. So I mean, that's a good news for all English fans, English cricketers, that Ben Stokes will be a part of their Ashes team. So anyway, you know, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Do let us know with your comments. This channel is by the fan, for the fans, and we will see you in our next episode. Take care and goodbye.
Thanks, guys.